Good morning. Mackenzie Johnston with Tri-State Livestock News, bringing you your Tuesday morning headlines concerning fair cattle markets. Sponsored by Sandhills Beef Company of Mullen, Nebraska. Eat like a rancher. America First means buying directly from the producer. Be the change. To learn about everything Sandhills Beef Company has to offer, head on over to their website, sandhillsbeefco.com. Also sponsored by TD Angus of North Platte, Nebraska. They will be hosting their annual bull sale at the Rishel Ranch near North Platte, Nebraska on March 19th, starting at 12:30 p.m. Central Time. As I stated yesterday, they have one heck of a lineup for their sale. They're going to be selling 300 plus powerful Angus bulls, 50 plus Angus females, 500 plus commercial replacement heifers, 7 ranch geldings, and 25 first calf heifer pairs. This is a sale you do not want to miss. They have reputable cattle, to say the least. If you have any questions about this upcoming sale, go ahead and give Trey a call at 307-660-8650. And to check out their lineup for their sale, head on over to their website, tdangus.com. According to National Beef Wire, last week, Wyoming Representative Chip Nyman and Senator Sherry Steinmetz introduced House Bill 229 in the Wyoming legislature. HB 229 would give Wyoming ranchers the choice of selecting among various lawful forms of animal identification devices when complying with a 2013 federal law that requires official identification on adult cattle and bison that are moved interstate. The bill was brought forward in a response to USDA attempting to deprive livestock producers in Wyoming and across the nation the choice authorized under current federal law to choose what form of identification to use on their animals. In 2019, USDA issued a mandate requiring livestock producers to only use higher cost RFID ear tags for adult cattle and bison moved interstate beginning January 1, 2023. Wyoming ranchers Tracy and Donna Hunt, South Dakota ranchers Kenny and Roxy Fox, along with RCAF USA, filed a lawsuit alleging the USDA's 2019 mandate violated the federal animal identification law. Within weeks of the lawsuit, USDA withdrew its mandate. However, by July 2020, USDA came back and said that it planned to reinstate the mandate. If HB 229 were to be passed, it would codify into Wyoming law the choices authorized under current federal law, which would successfully preserve those choices until and unless the federal law is changed. Oklahoma Farm Report has reported that during the recent NCBA virtual winter conference, Randy Blatch, CEO of CattleFax, said that consumers are looking for more high-quality beef and they are willing to pay the price for it. According to Randy, there has been a 60% increase in the amount of choice and prime beef production in the U.S. since the 2000 and 2005 time period. With this increase in production, we've also seen the spread between select and CAB continue to grow, which signifies a rise in classic beef demand. Randy stated that the industry must listen to what consumers want because they are clearly saying that they want more of the good stuff. Regarding the introduction and growth of alternative proteins or fake meat, Randy said that beef producers have nothing to be worried about. Less than 1% of the beef market share has gone to alternative protein sources, and Randy believes that it will only marginally grow. Randy closed by saying that the world population is expected to grow at a rapid pace, so we are going to need more protein sources, as we all know. If the cattle industry can continue to tell our story and produce high-quality nutritional beef, then we have a bright future ahead. RCAF USA has reported that James Halverson, Executive Director of South Dakota Stock Growers Association, James and his family lost their ranch home to a wildfire this last weekend. Luckily, they all made it out unharmed. Friends and family have set up accounts to help the Halverson family during this time of need, and if you would like to help out that family, go ahead and click on the link above in the caption. Shaylee Stewart with DTN Progressive Farmer published her weekly Facebook update yesterday regarding the cattle market and what has been going on within our cattle market. If you don't already follow her, make sure to follow her. She has some great insight when it comes to our cattle markets. She stated that it is absolutely pitiful, sorry, and pathetic that we are only seeing cattle trade in the Southern Plains at 114 for the 4th week in a row. We are trading the April contract, Stewart said. This is when the fat cattle market likes to make it rain. And it is absolutely unacceptable what is going on with our market right now. She said that if you don't like what you're seeing within the market, if you don't like what's going on within your business, you need to speak up and say something. You need to get involved. Whether that means getting involved with your local cattlemen's group or getting involved with legislation within our industry to fix our issues. One way or another, we have to make our voices heard. We are all busy. I understand that. However, if we do not take care of these issues, we won't be busy anymore because our industry will slip away. So if you're not already involved, be sure to do so. She said that we need to push our cattle industry groups to represent us because that's what they're there for. They're supposed to be representing the producers, us, the ones that are out here taking care of our cattle. They're supposed to be standing up for us. So she made the statement to be sure that the cattle organization that you're involved with, just be sure that they are representing your interests. And again, if you're not happy, be the change. Speak up and make your voice heard. Finally, National Beef Wire reported yesterday that choice box beef ended the day at $231.33. That was down 25 cents. And select box beef ended the day at $220.85. That was up $2.28. That is all I have for you guys this morning. I hope you all have a terrific Tuesday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.